The tears can't seem to dry, no matter how hard I try. I seem to fall back into the same circumstances every time. You were the main reason why I am who I am. Yesterday, today, the beginning. You raised me since I was an infant. As you breathe in these very last moments, I hope you know I am here holding on to this. I'm reminiscing about everything that you have ever told me, even though it seems that I go on without noticing anything that you have taught me. But believe me when I tell you that I will be nothing if not for your teaching and discipline, feeding me to grow up. Now I am grown up, now I show up only to hold your hand like I never grew up. With these memories of us together will be with me even after you are gone. I no longer can share another laugh. This is what makes me so sad, coming home only to realize it all in the past. Songs can't even sum up the definitive feeling in my heart becomes so corrupt. The ways things should be with time is never enough. The way you left us right when we needed you most. What now? I'm open to hear your voice once more, so I cry out. The thoughts rush me, I'm reaching, but no one is around. The feelings I hide inside always tend to come out. I'm taking shots to make me weak. Reality knows no bound. Is it only valid if tears and sadness is all I have? I can't even explain why it feels like this is the end. We still need you here in our lives. You should have lived longer, even surpassed mine. You never taught me how to deal with what they sense inside. Even though my chest hurts and I am twisted up inside, it will take me a long time to finally realize that you are at peace resting in paradise. You are now with the loved ones that are laid to rest, always in our minds and hearts, so we can never forget. Home is where the heart is, so in that sense, it is always so hard to say goodbye, boys to men.